guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Taylor and I'm just a regular girl and I live here in New York City, technically in Brooklyn, and I make videos sometimes on fashion and beauty and lifestyle, sometimes vlogs. And if you're a subscriber, welcome back. I'm so excited. There's so many new subscribers. I know a lot of you guys came in recently from my night routine after work video, and a lot of you guys recommended that I do an apartment tour, and so that's what I'm doing today. And I just want to preface a few things first. One is that, first of all, I live in Brooklyn and I have 4 roommates, well, 3 roommates including myself, so it's a 4-bedroom apartment. But out of the bedrooms, I'm only going to show you mine because that's, like, you know, everyone's space. I'm not going to get into that. But this isn't really like a typical blogger's apartment or a typical YouTuber's apartment. I'm really just honestly like a 26-year-old girl. I live with 3 other girls. We have this apartment. It's pretty cheap. It's in Brooklyn. And then a lot of us and I think all of us actually work in Manhattan. So we have a little bit of a commute, but you get a lot more for what you pay for here in Brooklyn. So yeah, just keep that in mind. But yeah, so let me show you. Okay, so we're at the front door right now. So let's go in. Okay, so when you first walk in, this is our living room. We have this couch. It's like a fake leather couch, and our landlord actually got this for us. We have the ugliest table ever that our landlord also picked out. Yeah, we didn't get a choice, but we're like free furniture, so you know, it's hard to pass up. And then we have this TV stand here. This is like one of our old roommates left this, but it also holds wine, so that's a plus. I have a TV that does not work because, well, it works, but like, we don't actually watch TV. I don't know, but yeah, so we technically could. I guess sometimes we'll plug it in and we'll try to watch movies together and try to spend some time out here, but we definitely should utilize it more. We have 3 different lamps. One, again, our landlord gave us, and then one that I have from home that I almost put in my bedroom but then ditched it, and then this other one. I don't know. We just have 3 lamps. We do have this really cute, like, pineapple candle that smells really good. Liz, my roommate, is recording. She's the best. But yeah, my cousin Jessica and her 2 friends came to visit, and it's like a thank you for letting us stay for the weekend, I guess, gift. They gave us this, which is really nice. So we just put it here as a little decoration. I have the first plant here. I have lots of plants. I feel like it, you know, circulates clean air, and it's also really nice to have an apartment. All right, so now we'll move into the kitchen, and it's pretty small. If you notice here, the lights actually automatically turn on. They didn't that time because I just turned them off, but they automatically turn on because our landlord basically made it so that our lights automatically shut off so that we're not using too much energy, which is good for the environment, also saves money. But yeah, it's just this cute little, like, it's just like a really cute little space. So I love that it has like these white cabinets. That's my favorite part of it. And this cute little backsplash as well. It's nice, good for cooking. And my favorite part about this kitchen is the fact that we have a window in the kitchen because it gives us a lot of natural light. It's kind of fun while you're doing dishes here to like look outside and people watch and stuff. But yeah, that was like, when I saw this apartment, honestly, that was like what made me want to live here, was the fact that there was a window in the kitchen. Well, one of the reasons, but yeah, I feel like it's just really nice. And we, right now that we're going into fall, since we like leave it open and get a nice breeze, and it's just really nice. But yeah, so to just go through, we have, like, everyone kind of has their stuff. Some people like coffee or whatever. I'm not a big coffee drinker, but I do have this Smeg, which I absolutely love, and I know my roommate loves it too. But yeah, it's just a hot water heater. It's great for like tea or, you know, matcha, anything like that. Blender and food processor. And then we have the fridge and the freezer. And this in here is where we keep all of our like cleaning supplies, and then plastic bags here, which we do reuse as like trash bags and all of that. I have another plant up there, which is, I love these kind of plants if you can't tell. We have our kitchen table, so it seats 4 people and we have 4 roommates, so yeah, I feel like it makes sense. And I have this really cute little like cookie jar also that my cousin gave me, which makes me so happy. It doesn't have any cookies in it, but it will very soon. And then of course I have a squirrel salt shaker. I found him at Target. I thought it was the cutest thing. They didn't have a pepper, they only had a salt, but I was like, I don't eat pepper anyways, so yeah, so I got the little salt shaker. Okay, so moving on. Now we go like back into, so we have 1 roommate lives here, so that's 1 bedroom. And then coming back this way, so this is, we actually have 2 bathrooms, so like it's split like 2 roommates in 1 bathroom, yeah, you can do that. 2 roommates in another bathroom. So me and my roommate that's filming this share this bathroom. So yeah, so it's just really, it's kind of small, but it has everything we need. Obviously, I keep like all of my skincare products here that you guys see me using in my like daily, you know, like skincare routines and my night routines and everything. And then on this side as well, lots of Glossier, of course. And then yeah, and then this is just the shower again. We just have this like white and shiny shower curtain, but yeah, it's small, but it's like perfect for everything. I like it. And then moving on behind me, these are 2 of my other roommates' bedrooms. So yeah, there's just 2 here, and then in this back corner is my bedroom. So we can come in here. This is my favorite part of the apartment, obviously. So it's very big. There's lots of natural light, obviously. That's why I love it. You'll notice that it is really big. And the reason why I liked this space and it made sense for me was because I felt like half of it was almost like my bedroom and my bed and all of that, and then the other half I use as like my studio for filming. Because what else would you use with this such a big space? No one really needs this much space. But anyways, yeah, okay, so let's start over here. So this is my clothing rack. This is like my pride and joy. I got it off of Etsy. It's like a, what would you call this? I guess copper pipe. And then it has like a dark wood base. But basically I put any of my new clothes that I want like inspiration for. So any like new clothes that I buy, I'll put it up here to remind myself to wear them. Or say my Rent the Runway, I always put it on this side so I know. So right now I have rented like this pretty dress, this skirt, and then like this this sweater that I'm wearing right now. So yeah, I really like this, and it's like kind of a source of inspiration for me, and you'll see it a lot of the times as the background of my videos. And then moving along, I just have my mirror here. This is also IKEA. I love it. It's like white. Sometimes I'll put up like lights on here so that it reflects, and it's really cute. Very like kind of like a cozy feel. And so right here is my desk. I have this really big wide screen because my boyfriend actually gave me this, and because he used it, didn't need it anymore. So it's perfect for if I'm working from home, because I can put everything up on 2 screens. And then I can also edit my videos on here, because when you pull up Adobe Premiere Pro, it's kind of like the timeline is just super long and it's perfect. So I really like that. And I kind of wanted this idea of doing like a tall desk. And so I have this stool here, and it's kind of like it's a look, I feel like. This desk doesn't actually exist. We just picked out a tabletop and then the legs and like screwed them into here. So it's kind of like a makeshift, but I really like it. One of the favorite things in my room is this calendar. It's a squirrel calendar, of course. It's just really special to me. Obviously, you guys know that I love squirrels. I'm like a squirrel fanatic, which, by the way, I have an Instagram account. It's called The Fashion Squirrel, and you guys should follow. And I post daily outfit inspiration on there. But yeah, I have a squirrel calendar, so I love that. And then on this side, I just have like some of my, oops, sorry. And then on this side, I just have some of my plants, so those are really nice to have as well. I love having plants and just keeping things alive, and, you know, I don't know. And then here's my bed. So, yeah, right now it's kind of like, I really want to get more pillows that will look really cute, and maybe do some like anthropology, like mixing and matching. But for right now, I'm just keeping it very plain, simple, white and pink. On top here, I have this photo. It's Audrey Hepburn, and my parents actually got this for me. It's really cool because it's signed by her, which is just really cool. We had this neighbor next to my parents' house where I grew up who just loved everything celebrities and just collected all of his life, and then once he decided to kind of like downsize and move out, he wanted his neighbors to kind of have the first pick of everything, so he sold it, and my parents got it for me, and yeah, I just think that it's really cool. She's such an idol, and so classy, and so yeah, so I love that. And then I guess we're ready here. So this is where I get ready during the morning, at night. I absolutely love this. This is like, I kind of like had this idea in my head of how I wanted it, and then I designed it this way. So first of all, I loved the concept of kind of like a old Hollywood getting ready backstage sort of a feel. So I added these lights to sort of make it look kind of like a, you know, like an old Hollywood glamour kind of a mirror with the lights on it. I just thought that that was really nice. So I found, and I couldn't find an exact mirror like that. It was actually kind of hard to find one that was inexpensive. So I got this really plain mirror from IKEA, and then just these like circle lights from Home Depot, and just nailed them up. So it's helpful, and it provides a lot of light for when I'm getting ready. And then I always try to keep flowers on my like getting ready stand. It makes me really happy, and right now these ones my boyfriend Lyle got for me for our anniversary. We just had last weekend, so that was really nice. Right here is my crown from the Miss America organization. I think I've mentioned before on my channel I used to do like pageants, but scholarship pageants, not beauty pageants. It's different. Yes, so I have the crown from there, and I'm very proud of that because it was something that I worked hard for a lot of years and lost a lot of times before I finally won. So it's like it's like a nice reminder for me that, you know, I worked really hard at something. And then of course I keep all of my makeup here. I have like all of my brushes and all of my lipsticks and all of my Glossier stuff, of course. I have my Gisou honey hair oil, which I love. And then this is where I keep like all of my headbands that I use for all of my Instagram shoots. I always accessorize with a headband. My hair clips and all of that. And I have my makeup in here. And this is like my, what do you call it? This is my dresser, also from IKEA. I love that it was just like a plain white with the glass on top, which makes it very easier for cleaning. When I get tons of makeup on here, I just go over it with a wipe, and it makes it very easy. But I love that this has so many different areas. So I keep like bras, underwear, socks, all the workout clothes. And then I do my like pajamas in here and like t-shirts. These are all of my shirts, and then I have my like shorts and skirts in here, and then all of my like going out tops are in here, which I feel like isn't really a thing anymore. Like no one wears the going out top, but like part of me is still hanging on to college where it was just like you wear a going out top and that was it. And then on this side of the room, I actually have two closets, which makes it much easier for me as a girl, just having two closets. This one I don't want to open them because they're just like, they're not pretty. They're kind of a mess right now, but this one I store like winter jackets, my like laundry basket, all of my sweaters are all in here. And then on this side I have like my jeans, all of my tops, all of my dresses, and then all of my shoes are also in there as well. Once I get more of like a nice shoe collection, I want to do another like, you know, shoe collection video maybe, but for right now I'm still building it up, so we'll get there eventually, hopefully. And then on the floor is this rug, also from IKEA. As you can tell, there's like definitely so much of a white theme going on in here. I love everything to be very bright and natural light and just kind of airy, and makes me very happy. So yeah, I used to just have this dark wooden floor, and once I put this rug here, it really changed the space completely. It's also much more cozy as well, having something like, you know, soft to wake up and walk on when you wake up in the morning, as opposed to like a cold hard floor. So yeah, I think that that's everything. Yeah, so I think that that's everything, but thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed this video and enjoyed seeing my apartment. As I said, it's not a perfect vlogger apartment or YouTuber apartment by any means, but I do really enjoy living in here, and I love the girls that I live with as well. It's just a really nice space. So if you liked this video, please feel free to subscribe and hit the bell. And also, like I said, I have my Instagram account. It's called The Fashion Squirrel, and I post daily outfit inspiration on there, so definitely feel free to go check that out. And then, yeah, I think that's it. So hopefully I will see you guys next time.